Hello cuties, welcome to my channel Farwa Amazing Drawing World. I'm coming. Let's start coloring.
Round and round, round and round, round and round.
Yellow color.
Wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Pink color.
The wheels on the bus. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bus. Yeah! The wheels on the bus. Yeah! The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bus.
Red color.
Go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Red color. Bye bye. See you tomorrow with next video. If you like my video, so please subscribe my channel.